Let's take a look at this character.
喷
There are 12 strokes in this character.
竖，横折，横，横，竖，横，竖，竖，竖，横折，撇，点。
Let's look at how this character breaks down. The radical for this character is mouth.
口闭
Let's take a look at some examples.
喷嚏喷泉
Here's a character that looks similar. Pay attention to the differences. You'll find incredible tools for learning characters like this one at trainchinese.com and on the iOS and Android app stores. Just search for Train Chinese.